Yeah, I'm going to change the oils, the gear oil, engine oil, and also those filters. Then yeah, it's going to be a project bike for this coming winter, so I'm going to do a video episode of this motorcycle. First I'm gonna check that motorcycle, so I'll get back to you guys once I started opening that box. Okay. Do you know, guys, this tool is a must-have when you're doing a DIY on your motorcycle. Now time to open this box. So this is the PeakTow heavy duty narrow deck jack or lift jack. This can lift up to 950 pounds or 430 or 431 kilograms. The width of this jack is 17 3/4 inches and the height can go up to 16 inches. Well, I chose this lift jack because of the good reviews, and also the price is just around 95 or less than 95 Canadian dollars. So it has this safety bar or safety pin that ensures that the jack will not collapse when the jack is overloaded. So this is for the frame. It has this rubber coating, so to protect the frame. So again, this is an additional features where it connects to the lift jack, where the frame sits on this. So you can turn this to adjust the height. It's heavy. 500 kilogram rated capacity. Yeah. Having a tools with a manual is nice add-ons. Knowing the tools, features, and capabilities. Because without this, I have to figure it out how to assemble this lift jack. So I'm going to use these tools to crank up this lift jack. And I think it's time to install this frame rail that has a rubber coat on it where the frames or the frame sits. So there's a lock here. So here's the lock on the side. Here. Oh, it's a heavy duty lift jack. So this part will be, I mean my motorcycle frame will be sitting on this part. Then once you align this part, you can turn this to lock. So the manual says this is the adjustable plate where the frame sits, but I have to try this first underneath my motorcycle and make sure it is on the right position before I lock the bolts. I think that's it. Oh, this is the lock. Once you adjust this on a certain or preferred height, then you can put this here. To lock it. So again, this is the PeakTow heavy duty narrow deck lift jack. It has a 950 pounds or 430 kilograms lifting weight capacity. It has also a safety bar or safety pin that ensures the jack will not collapse. It's like a lock to those three holes underneath or on the low part of this lift jack. See those three holes? This safety pin or lock is important because of this motorcycle is too heavy, so better be safe than